Hey there, I'm Meg, and if you're trying to design to specific dimensions in Canva, this tutorial is going to cover how to create a custom-sized canvas and how to resize your elements to a specific size. Let's get started. First off, we are going to create a custom-sized canvas. Now, as you probably know, Canva has all kinds of different options for canvases. They keep things up to date with the optimal size for Instagram posts and Instagram stories, for example. But if there is a specific size that you need your canvas to be, it's super easy. Click on Create a Design. And you can search for a template, but if you need an actual custom size that Canva does not offer, click custom size and always change from pixel to inch, millimeter, or centimeter, whatever you need. Do that first, because if you don't, and you type in your width and height, it's going to be readjusted based on you changing this after the fact. So always choose this one first. And we're just going to do a random size. Here we are on our custom size canvas. If you need a reminder, you can see the dimensions up here. I also recommend renaming your design as soon as you create one. So if you still need a reminder of what size your canvas is, you can head on over to File and you will see the size right here. Let's say that you accidentally sized this incorrectly and you have your beautiful design on here and you need to resize it, but you don't want to start from scratch. You can copy all of the elements from here to a new correctly sized canvas. Or if you have Canva Pro, you can try the resize tool, which is super snazzy. You would change the dimensions of what you need, and then you can copy and resize, which would save this design and create a new canvas in the new size. Or you can just replace this design completely with the new size, and Canva is going to automatically adjust and move your elements around so that way they fit that new design. You usually don't have to do a lot of tweaking after that unless you're going from a vertical to a horizontal design. Now we're going to cover how to customize the size of the elements on our canvas. What I did is I just zoomed into our canvas using the slider in the lower right, and I added two different elements. So most elements will have the lines on each edge, and they'll also have the circles on the corner. That means that this element can be resized to whatever you want. Whereas contrastingly, this type of element only has the circles in the corners, which means it can only be resized proportionally. So this one, I can even change the look of the shape because I can change the width and the height by the edges. And I can also change proportionally. But with elements like this, you can only change proportionally. And as I've been going around and resizing these two elements, you'll notice the little black box up here that tells you your width and your height. So if you need your elements to be a specific width and height, just drag your either the corners or the edges until you get to your desired width and height. Now, as of right now, there is not a way to insert this element immediately to that width and height, so you have to go back and change it around after the fact. If you're unable to change the width and height of your element and it's not a proportional element like this, make sure that it is unlocked. If your element is locked, then you will not be able to resize it. So that is how you create canvases and elements to a custom size on Canva. I hope it helps. To learn even more Canva tips and tricks, including graphic design tips, how to make Canva as efficient and easy to work with as possible, and how to use Canva Pro tools, check out my online mini course, Create with Canva. I've linked to it down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.